Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a donation request letter for school. How do you write a letter asking for money for a school? Here, you need to be direct about what the letter is for financial aid. Briefly talk about why the school is a great fit for you and why you need the money in a straightforward and respectful way. Provide concise details regarding your specific financial situation, even if you gave these details in your original application. And here is the step-by-step made by Writing Practices. Check these out. First of all, write the date today. And then, write the recipient name. Make sure you write the full name correctly. And then, write also the organization, or just go directly write the address if it is for individual. Don't forget to write the street, city, and the zip code too. And then, you can open the letter with Dear Sir or Madam or Dear followed by the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can start introducing yourself. Mention your name and your position that is related to the program you are handling. For example, I am James and I am an English teacher at Grandview School. And now, tell brief about the students and opportunities or community that you want to talk about in this letter. It is necessary to make it as neat and short as possible. In the second paragraph, talk more about the opportunity of the students joining the community or the program you want to ask fundraising for. In this case, I will use chess community as the example. The students here are aimed to participate in a tournament, so I mentioned the details in this paragraph. In the third paragraph, you can then give introduction to the problem that the community faces now. Yes, it is about the budgetary. You can tell why it is a problem in this paragraph. In the fourth paragraph, this is the point. You can ask the recipient if they are willing to donate in certain amount of money. And for the last paragraph, it is a must for you to close it warmly. Write down how important the money for the club and students. And don't forget to thank them in advance. Let the recipient know that the money will help students to achieve their dream. And finally, close the donation request letter for school with sincerely. Add your signature and full name. Easy, right? Enjoy writing your own donation letter. Good luck.